Today we're showing you a 1998 John Deere 5310 tractor. We traded this tractor in locally. It is a good running tractor. There are no known mechanical issues other than the right brake pedal is sticky. It needs grease. It does not want to move up and down very freely at all. Otherwise, there are no known issues with the tractor. It is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is, where is. So if you'd like to come in, check it out yourself, feel free to do so. It does have a 145 John Deere loader that goes with it. That loader obviously is quite a bit older than the tractor. Front grill here does have some damage. Overall, the cosmetics of the tractor are average. You see there's some paint missing off of the hood. The seat cushions are both loose from the backing. You can see you just lift these up and down however you want to. Tractor is showing 27.90 on the hours, so the hours aren't bad. I can't guarantee those hours, but the tractor does appear to be at least close to those hours. The right hand stabilizer here is missing. Left hand is here. It does have the canopy top. If you're looking for an inexpensive loader tractor to maybe do some brush hog loader work, might be a good fit for you. Again, currently 27.90.8 on the hours. Not bad. The wear of the wheel is also not bad at all. It does have an engine block heater. We do take trades. Again, this is a budget-friendly tractor. It is selling as is, where is. If you'd like to inspect the tractor further, feel free to come on in and do so. If you have any questions, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.